Today I'm here with Barry. He's one of our kitchen designers. We're going to be talking a little bit about the before style of this kitchen and then some of the concepts that we have moving forward with the remodel. So Barry, tell me about the original style of the home. Not necessarily the kitchen, but just of the home in general.
Home in general, Tudor revival style, very typical of this era, built in the 1930s. Steep roof, very typical of the neighborhood.
This kitchen is not original to the home, correct?
We don't think it is. No, it's too nice.
Okay, so when do you think that they remodeled this one?
We think late 80s, early 90s,
okay,
just from the colors and cabinet styles that we see.
And you've kind of had a chance to look through the cabinets so far. Give us your impression of the current cabinets.
They've lived a good life. 30 years old probably, so they're time to go.
We're going to be doing some major renovation of this, correct?
Major renovation.
So Barry, one of the first things that we need to do when we look at taking down walls is check with a structural engineer.
Exactly, especially with a two-story home. You never know what that wall might be supporting up top.
So we have checked with our structural engineer on this, and we can lose the wall between the kitchen and the dining room. So Barry, one of the things that I really love about this house personally is the stained glass in the buffet. So do you plan on keeping those in the kitchen design? I
don't think so, Kelly. I think you can take that home with you. Trying to stay a little more true to the design of this house. It's not going to go.
What are some considerations when you're talking about a complete remodel?
Yeah, so every remodel has some unique situations and you never know what might be lurking behind these walls. So we have done a little bit of research and we do know that we have a brick chimney behind one of these walls. So we're trying to take that into account, trying to bring some of the modern conveniences into an older home. So space is a little bit tight. We are going to rearrange things just a little bit.
Talk to me about these soffits. Can they go?
The soffits can go. By the soffit, we mean that area above the cabinets up to the ceiling.
Now, do you plan to keep the super cool vent cover up there?
Another thing that you're welcome to take home with you. It's not going to stay.
So Barry, how are you guys approaching the layout of this kitchen?
So the cabinet team came over a couple weeks ago. We measured, we looked, did our research. Each of us independently came up with what we thought was the best design. We met again, we've all kind of put our heads together, so we have a conglomeration of all three designs that we think will fit well with this house. You know, the cabinet team working on a design, we can work on the efficiency of the kitchen, how the space works, increasing the storage, but the overall look needs to be consistent with the entire design of the house. So we'll work with the star designers in making a cohesive feel to the entire project.
Let STAR guide you through the entire project.